Hello everyone, welcome back to NoTech. In this video, we can see how to identify the default selected radio button using Selenium and C#. Let's get started. In this example, we are going to identify the default select radio button. So here the Safari radio button is selected by default. So let's see how to handle through this Selenium script. Now open Visual Studio and first launch the web browser. iWebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. Now driver dot navigate dot go to URL. Here open the web page. Copy this web page URL and paste here. Now we need to identify the web element. So here this is our web element. So right click from this Safari radio button, go to inspect, and here we don't have ID or name, so we can copy the XPath. Copy XPath. So write driver dot find element by dot XPath. Here paste the XPath which we copied. Then as I mentioned in my previous video, we can replace this double quotes with a single quote. Then store this in a web element. Web element we can give the variable name as default button. Now we need to write the script to verify whether this radio button is selected. So copy this variable. So to identify this, we have a method called selected in C#. Default button dot selected. Now we need to store this in a Boolean variable. So if you mouse over to this selected method, so it will show how to store this. Boolean. So here also we need to give the variable name. I am giving the variable name as selected button. Now we can print this. Console dot write line, open bracket inside double quotes, is radio button selected. This is just a text. You can give any text. Now we can run the script. Now in the console, the result is showing us false. That means the script is not able to identify the web element correctly. So go back to your web page. So again inspect the element. So instead of this identify this XPath, here we can use the ID of this input element. Here we have an input tag. So copy this ID. Now go back to your script and here remove this XPath with ID. And also remove this XPath value with the ID value. Now let's run the script again. Yeah, now we got the result as true. Hope you understand this. If you have any clarification, please mention in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to NoTech. Thank you.